All right, guys, so I am actually in the middle of running errands and I completely forgot to start filming this video vlog for you guys earlier. But if you guys keep up with my Instagram, I'm trying to find my angle right now. It's probably, we're just gonna roll with it. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would know that I got in a delivery yesterday all the way from the UK. Shout out to all the subs over the pond. I have been wanting these boots, as you guys saw if you do follow me on IG. I've been wanting these boots for so long, and I'm gonna show you guys them at the end of this vlog because I just dropped them off to my shoe cobbler. It's gonna have them add the extra sole on the bottom. As you guys know that I don't like to wear my boots without that, just because I feel like they rub down, and for such expensive boots I like to take care of them. So I just finished dropping them off. I'm gonna go grab myself a coffee, and hopefully my cobbler will give me a call when the boots are ready. Hopefully, I'm hoping today. He told me that he'll have them ready by the afternoon. So then we'll jump into some fits, how I style them, and I'll just show you details of the boots. So let's get it, guys. I always forget where the cameras are on this, so I always end up hitting the wrong spot, but I think I found it. It's right there. All right, guys, so it's a new day. My cobbler actually didn't get to finish these until late last night, so I had to go pick them up last night. Nonetheless, they are completed, and now I can't wait to unveil them for you guys because I'm super excited to wear them. I haven't had a chance to wear them, so today it'll be the first time I'm wearing them, so I'm super excited for that. But without further ado, let's open this box up and show you guys what I picked up. If you guys have been long-time subscribers, some of you probably know or maybe have a hint at what pair this is. Celine is already made in really, really low quantities because Hedi, instead of doing what he did with Saint Laurent, I read an article. He was saying something about how he wanted to do these drops in real small quantities so that each piece feels really special to the consumer, kind of in the way that Supreme does in a way. I'm not really a huge fan of Supreme, but in that sense where everything is like capsule collection, very small, and it makes people go crazy for it. I understand it, so we'll help the product move a little bit better. That's Ariel in the back playing. Anyways, but in this case, it just makes these boots that much more special. Yeah, I literally have been hunting for these for close to a year now, and I finally found a pair, so let's jump into it now. So, standard Celine box. This one didn't come with any of the stickers on it that pretty much say like what they are, which is better for you guys because you won't know what they are until I open them up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a little sneak peek. Lid is off. Take this off. Take these bad boys out. And these are, let me do this before I mess them up. These are the Spring 2020 Cavalry Boots in Python. And what I love about the Cavalry boot off top is just that it has that exposed zipper. If you guys remember when I did my full boot collection video, I had the, what it was called, the Berlin strap boots from the first Hedi Celine collection. And I didn't really love that boot too much just because I didn't feel like it was something that I was gonna wear a lot. But with something like this, the Cavalry in general, the normal, it might be calfskin, the normal standard version of this boot in just a plain black leather, I love it just because it's such a clean boot and it has nice hints of just like silver detailing around it. I like this, and I like the exposed zipper. So, and then I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that on camera with the Python. It also has like a Western stitch on the toe box. Put it like this so you guys can see. Maybe you guys can see it's like floral almost. Yeah, I really loved the standard version of this, but when I saw the Python version, I was absolutely in love and I wanted to add it to my collection, and it was sold out completely in the US. So I was contacting all the people I know at Celine trying to find this boot. Nobody had it over here in the US. Finally, a pair popped up in the UK, so shout out to all my subs over the pond. What up, people? And shout out to London because there was literally one pair in a size 45, and if you guys are familiar, Celine, the biggest size they go up to is a 45, and the biggest size that they do and the smallest size that they do are also the sizes that they don't produce super large quantities in. So this boot is already limited as it is, and even more limited in my size 12. So it was literally a manhunt to find these. Super happy to finally have them in my collection. As I told you guys earlier in the video, I had them already protected on the bottom, so I can go balls to the wall wearing them and not feel like I'm completely damaging them, because these are something that's going to stay in my collection for as long as they can, and I want to have them looking as good as I can while they're in my collection. Just super happy to have them. At some point I'll probably add the normal Cavalrys when I get a chance to get a pair, but I think that in the Python it's pretty much the best version of this boot, literally the best Python boot that Celine has done. So they did do one previous snake Python boot for the first Hedi menswear collection, but I didn't really like the shape of that boot too much. I felt like it was too pointed and a little bit too slim for my foot. I didn't get a chance to try them on, but also the Python was very shiny. I didn't really like the look of that on foot. It looked a little bit too patent leathery, stylish, and I didn't like that that's the look of that boot. With this one, I feel like it's a little bit more of a matte finish, even though it does have a little bit of a gleam to it. I feel like over time as you wear it, it's definitely gonna tone down, but as you guys can see on camera, it's not very shiny. It's just, you can see the scales on them really pronounced, and I love that. Actually extremely close to the fall winter 13 Wyatt boot in Python that they did for Saint Laurent. So that's another reason why I really wanted these. Thought that it looked like an updated version to that in Celine. So yeah, I love these. Let me turn the camera around so I could just show you guys better video of these, and then we're gonna throw these on foot and go outside with a fit and get some B-roll so I can show you guys the fit today. Before I even head out, I just want to show you guys what they look like on foot before we do the full fit. They're just so sick. I love them so much. I'm wearing them right now with some Celine skinny denim, the black Japanese raw denim, and then Cavalrys. But these things just look so sick. Can't wait to show you guys the full fit. So let's head out. I'm gonna go grab a coffee like I said, and then we're gonna go hit the streets and get some footage. Let's jump into that now. Alright guys, so we're gonna get into today's fit. I'm wearing a 2012 Saint Laurent denim shirt. You guys will see it in the full video clips when I set my tripod up. I guess this is a Save Khaki colored t-shirt. I'm wearing some Celine black skinny jeans, and then I'm also wearing the Celine Python boots, Cavalry boots. So you guys a quick little shot of them right there on this camera. So I'm gonna change it to the fit. I'm gonna show you guys maybe two fits. I think I brought some extra clothes in my bag that I could probably get a second fit out of. So we're gonna jump into that now. And I'm also wearing my Celine aviator frames. As always, everything will be linked in the description box below. If I can't find the exact item, I will link something similar. So let's jump into that now, guys.
Alright guys, that is gonna wrap this vlog up. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and how you guys feel about the Celine Cavalry boot and the python skin. Let me know your feelings, your thoughts. Would you guys wear these boots? I am for sure gonna get a lot of use out of these just because it's a jet black boot and then it's just a sick python rendition of the boot. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, welcome again. My name is Ariel. I do luxury fashion content. If you guys enjoy content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new drops, all my new vlogs. Content is fire, so definitely want to check that out when it comes out. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Later guys, stay safe. Later.